Hello boys and girls, this is CA Mohit Agarwal here. Now in this video I am going to make an appeal to the entire CMA fraternity. CMA students are very much worried about their exams and all the rumors that are going around and all the buzz that is going around them. So in this video we will be trying to address the issues faced by our CMA students, because all of us know that CA and CS May-June term has already been postponed and cancelled and shifted and merged with the November-December term cycle, but CMA Institute has not done it yet, and lot of rumor mongering is going on. So in this video we will be putting an appeal to the institute and the stakeholders of it. Okay, so the video is all about appeal to CMA Institute from my side. Now, the first of all that is needed is a clarification. Clarification whether exams will happen or not happen, and if happen, whether online or offline. We have to give clarification to our students. This is it. Please come out with a clarification, because without clarification the rumor mongering is going on and the students are under tremendous mental pressure. Why? A lot of people may say that institute has already clarified the exams will be taking place in September, but let me tell you again that quite number of tweets and informal tweets and communication via videos through office bearers is not good. Informal communication through formal people will lead to a chaos. So if we are ready with a plan, then why not issue it? Why to put thousands of stakeholders in uncertainty mode and let the speculation go around them? So my humble request is that please clarify whether exams will happen or not, and if yes, then whether online or offline and how. My next appeal is and question is that are students afraid of change when we are moving towards digitalization? So are CMA students afraid of change? The answer is a big no. Nobody is afraid of the change. Will welcome the change, but only after the due process of change is followed. The entire process of the change has to be followed. It's not like a demonetization going on that suddenly will say that this notes are banned, now this new system is to be followed. So we are not afraid of the change, but the process has to be followed. The due process of the change has to be followed. And what is that due process of change? We all learn in strategic management that there are 3 steps in change that takes place, given by none other than our Kurt Lewin. What are the 3 steps of change? First, we need to unfreeze the situation, unfreeze the current situation, then publicize the change by training, taking feedback, holding seminars, and then adopting the change and refreezing it. So in such a short span of time, within 1 month, I don't think so that we'll be able to publicize the change. So whatever change, we all welcome the change, I again repeat, but only after the due process of change is followed. Otherwise it will create chaos, panic, restlessness. So if we are planning to conduct online exams, several mock tests should be given. Students should be allowed to give several mock tests on it, at least 7 to 8 mock tests. Then feedback should be taken from them, that what problems did they suffer while giving those tests, whether because of lack of resources or whatever, but we'll have to take the feedback of students and then making the necessary modifications in the policy and then adopting it. Lot of seminars must be conducted for students for this. hand holding is required for such process. It's not any exam. After all, it's a professional exam. So these 3 steps must be followed: unfreeze, then institutionalize the change by holding seminars, taking feedback of students, and then refreezing it. Okay. So, which brings us to the conclusion of this video, and the conclusion of this video is 2 things. Bring out notification as soon as possible, immediately, please, and before making any change, please follow the process of the change. Just for the sake of changing, do not change it. So this is it from my side, and I would request students to remain calm and trust the institute, because institute is also a professional body, and it will absolutely consider all these points that I have raised over here, and institute will also listen to the queries that students will submit, and I request institute also to bring out the notification as soon as possible. Whatever it is going on in the mind of the office bearers, please share it with the students through official channel, and then will be welcoming it. But please do take care all the necessary steps which are required to institutionalize the change. So this is it from my side. Now I would request all the students to share this video with the entire CMA fraternity, so that the panic which is there amongst the students gets reduced and the confidence level gets high. And I am always there with you. Take care. Lots of love. Bye bye. Bye.